I've dived into the stock market and found the best winners. COSM up 300% from what it was 5 days ago, called out on this channel. And now you're going to get the next winners. Make sure that you like the video so that more traders see it, and enjoy the breakdown. All right, guys, amazing. I'm going to give you about 3 minutes to check out each of these amazing stock picks here. All right, starting with stock number 1. And by the way, stock number 3 is the one you want to pay the most attention to. But we're going to start with stock number 1, something to whet you guys' appetite, something that's going to go up like crazy if we get that confirmation. And what we are looking for here is confirmation on this stock called AVXL. AVXL, Anavex Life Science Company. Now, this stock is an interesting one. And it's interesting because it started off with a gap up and then came down lower than it ever was before. And this is right after earnings, guys. So that means that institutions actually don't like this stock very much. You might be thinking, wow, the institutions don't like this stock? Well, that's terrible. Why would we trade it? Why would we buy it? That means that this stock is not a good stock to be buying because the institutions don't like it. And I'm with you. I hear you. And actually, I don't think it's a good idea to buy long term. I think this thing can go down lower, and I think it would be bad taste to buy this and hold it for too long. But remember, we don't have to hold it for a long time. We can pick it up for a very short period of time and then sell it, right? Sell it for a profit. And that's exactly what I want to do. Treat this thing like hot garbage. Hold it for a little while, throw it in the trash, and be done with it. And why would we even handle this hot garbage though? Well, because there's some gold inside, guys. There's some gold inside, and that gold is hidden right here around $9. We can pick up this stock for about $9. We can get a retest of $9.50, $9.66, and $9.84. Do not hold this stock past $10. Can it go higher than $10? Yes, of course it can, but it's very unlikely. And what I actually think is going to happen is the stock is going to push up to about $10 and then it's going to dump again. So don't be part of the dump. Remember, this is hot garbage. Just trade it from $9 to $10, picking it up as close to $9 tomorrow as possible, and then be done with the stock at that point. And let me turn my camera on so you can at least see me. All right. So now you guys know, right? Now you guys see and know the way you should be treating AVXL. But there's more to it than that, isn't there? We want to make sure that we are taking profits at the right spots as well. So if we are taking profits at about $9.66, $9.83, those are really my main profit targets for this stock. And of course, the buy-in point is about $8.86 and $9. But you have to also be comfortable with selling a stock, comfortable with leaving the trade when the trade is done. So get out of the trade before it goes to $10 and you'll be fine. Stock number 2 is a stock called LIDR. LIDR. This is a fairly cheap stock, but what you're getting here is a very interesting pattern. I call it the VCP pattern, the volume compression pattern. And of course, that pattern is very useful for finding stocks and buying stocks that are going up and are headed in the upward direction on the long term. And what are we looking for this stock to do? Well, we're looking for it to stay above about $1.09. Okay, this is AVE Incorporated, Class A stock. And we're looking to pick it up around $1.09, $1.07. And we're willing to pay up to $1.13 for it so that we can be part of the opportunity. But then we're looking to sell it, right, for a profit. So where's the profit at? Where's our profit on LIDR? Well, the profit on LIDR lies in a few key areas. The first is $1.15. So $1.15, that's our first profit target, but we have more. After $1.15, we're looking to sell at $1.20. And then finally, $1.27 is our third profit target. So we have 3 profit targets for LIDR. for your information, you usually want to sell most of your position at profit target 2 if you can, because that gives you a balance between making money and also taking a safer trade. If you go for profit target 3, there's a good chance that you're going to fail a lot more trades, which I don't like. But of course, if profit target 3 is hit and it does work out, you can get the most amount of money as compared to someone who sells at profit target 1. So that's really quickly profit targets for you. LIDR is our second stock. This stock, again, huge upward movement from yesterday, went from 83 cents all the way to $1.30. And that level is holding today. I'm expecting a continuation of the upward trend on LIDR tomorrow. If this thing does not go up past $1.18, I'm going to be very surprised. I'm looking to pick this stock up around $1.10, and I'm going to sell it at about $1.18, $1.19. All right. So this is LIDR stock. Now, I saved you guys the best for last, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to show that you know and appreciate the stock research that is done here. This stock, TBLA, is my favorite. I'm looking to pick this one up around $2.50. Get a retest there. I might even buy it at open if it opens up around $2.55. And the 3 reasons why you should be really excited about TBLA. The first is the volume. Look at the volume on this guy. Yeah, sure, the volume yesterday wasn't that good, but today the volume is there. Look at this one candlestick here. 674,000 shares being traded. Look at that insane volume, guys. And we're looking on the 3-minute chart right now. If we went to the 30-minute, we see in one candlestick here, 516,000 shares being traded, just insane volume. And that gives us these beautiful filled candlesticks. That's huge. Filled candlesticks are huge because that means you'll know where your stock price actually is. With some of these non-filled candlesticks, it can be difficult for you to see where the stock price actually lies. And that could make it difficult to get in and out of the stock. With this, you actually know where you're at. When you walk on a bridge, you want to see where your feet are, right? Well, with this kind of volume that we see on TBLA right now, we are able to see where our feet are. We're able to see where the stock price is, and that's a huge advantage when trading. Secondly, with TBLA, we see a number of support levels kicking in here. So let's look at the chart a little closer. We see support on TBLA at $2.40. We see support at $2.50. These are key levels, guys. These key levels that are below the current price, they are going to protect us in case of a downturn. So if TBLA comes down, these stock levels are going to prevent the price from going down too much too quickly. They are going to act as a shield so that when the price comes to these levels, it's going to bounce back up, giving us a chance to get out at either a small loss or even a profit. So these are 2 things that are going to really affect the way that you trade TBLA. One is the high volume, and 2 is the numerous support levels that we have on TBLA, keeping the price propped up. Finally, I also like that TBLA has 2 profit targets that are high percent gainers. And because of the high volume, this move to the upside is very likely. So let me explain what I mean. So the profit targets, if we were to get from $2.50 to about $3, that's a 20% move, a 25% move actually. And a 25% move for us, that's substantial money. If we're looking at a 25% move, then on $10,000 position, that's $2,500 in profits with just 1 day trade. So if we're able to get in at this stock at the right moment and then get a retest of $3, then we can make good money on TBLA. And that's what you guys really want, right? That's what you guys need, is to make some good money in stock trading. So that's why I'm so excited about TBLA and why you should be excited about TBLA as well. I hope you will join me tomorrow for some live trading. I'm looking forward to seeing how you perform in the market and how you're able to trade these hot stocks. And most of all, Thank you for joining me and being a part of the day trading community. It means a lot to me to be able to spend this time with you guys, helping you find the best stocks in the stock market and get the best returns possible, returns that beat hedge fund and all of these other traders that think that they're better because they're not retail traders. We'll show them, guys. We'll show them. And that starts with trading some of these amazing stocks, AVXL, LIDR, and TBLA. Thanks for coming in. I'll see you guys in the next video.